Okay, guys, we're going to do a little bit of a fun one. If you haven't recognized my face yet, my name's Alex. We're an AI agency called Peak Demand in Toronto, Ontario, Canada. We just got to 100 subscribers, and I gotta say, it's taken uh, more than 2 years. So super excited. Canada AI conversation. It's wrought with tension, a lot of fear. So for us to even get to 100 subscribers, and this is like mostly just me powering through content videos. So I'm really happy that we made it this far. Like I told these guys, I would take them out to dinner once we get to 100 subscribers. They have to start making videos as well, so you'll see some more videos from our service guardians. But this is an indication to me that someone's listening. At least someone on YouTube or people on YouTube are starting to see or at least hear about conversation that might be useful to them surrounding AI in Canada. Just to see some of the videos that we put together here, we talk about AI panic or weak society. What's Canada's position really on AI? More stuff about weak minds panic, strong minds produce, more AI panic. It's literally just a maelstrom of fear and panic in Canada when it comes to AI. So I want to promote strength. I want to promote productivity, production using AI tools, so on and so forth. We also have some content on Evan Solomon, AI minister. Talking about AI refresh strategy for Canada. We touch on stuff with budgets and deficits and stuff like that, but namely the content we're putting together is how-to content for integrations for voice systems into legacy systems, CRM, ERPs, EHSs, as well as just the adoption frontier in Canada. So you can see like most of this is just testing. You can see when I started the journey 2 years ago, literally no thumbnail. I had one thumbnail amongst like 20 videos. It was really just me doing screen grabs, putting up the experience that you have talking to a voice agent. That's how it started, namely municipalities. But then we got into doing it for businesses. Slowly yet surely, businesses were starting to catch wind. This voice AI stuff could really help them. And then, once we started to see a little bit of traction with views going up, we pretty much went all in on trying to figure out what types of content would get traction specifically for voice AI. And views creeping up, getting more likes now. We're getting a lot of dislikes to start. Get a hell of a lot of dislikes on the shorts, but I don't care because the engagement that we get, like, dislike, comment, I always leave on the video. If you don't like, what I sound like, what I look like, let us know in the comments. Dislike the video, do whatever you want, just as long as you engage. So I'm really looking forward to the next 100 subscribers. I want to try and get to 1,000, over the next year. But if you guys have ideas on what you'd like to see in terms of content or, exploring AI and AI tools or just AI operations, you let us know. And we'll try and get some more faces up here besides just me. But also, like, I understand the more political topic of conversation, or maybe just around the sentiments in regards to AI in Canada. Those also get a lot of traction. Anything to do with the economy, really, and labor markets and real estate and stuff like that. That's generally where a lot of the views come in. I think the most viewed video that we got was for me. Almost 1,000 views on that one with 22 likes. Super happy. So I'll try and do more break. Look at my face there. I'll try and do more videos, like this, so you guys, or at least the brand and the channel can get more visibility. But you can see, like, this is a pathetic ratio. 100 subscribers. It took 1,000 videos to do that. Let's see if we can actually take a look at some of the analytics here. YouTube Studio. And then let's see for content, we can just see what kind of content performs really good. I got one piece in the queue right now. You can see the likes. I mean, we're getting more and more likes, which is great, but you can see we still get quite a few dislikes. On the short side of things, like, we get dislikes like, oh, that nice, that short got a like, small amount of views. Just got some dislikes here. But again, it's for us, it's all engagement, right? Trying to figure out what our audience looks like. Namely, the content we build is for business owner operators. So it's not really like, if YouTube people don't like us, oh well. But the transcripts are still getting picked up by large language models, Google search. So we really do. And we get, business owners coming into our discovery room pretty much every day. So, I'm going to continue fighting the good fight on the content side because it's really helping with growth. But if you guys, if you want to help contribute to the conversation, or you just want to say, "Hey, Alex, shut up! I don't want to hear any more about that AI stuff and garbage," leave us a comment. Really likes it. Really helps. But I'm looking forward to the next, 900 subscribers where we can get it to 1,000. And of course, maybe we'll put together a more fun video to celebrate the first 100. But again, if you guys have any ideas, you want to let me know, even looking at production quality, trying to up the productions, see if I can get more crystal clear video and sound to help with the traction. We're really looking forward to getting more visibility on YouTube. Anyways, I'll leave it there for now. A very short baby one. But yeah, like and subscribe. Help us on the journey. Bye now.